The boogie comes in many different forms. We have the boogeyman. Some of you are already familiar with the boogeyman. That doesn't need any formal introduction. We have the boogie woman. Yes, yes, there's a boogie woman. Some of you are like, huh? Yes. There are some boogie women out there. Regardless of what you think, or contrary to popular belief, there are some boogie women out there. If you, for a minute, thought the boogie only existed in a man, you've been boogied. You've been boogied. There's also what I call the boogie you. Yes, you. You see, we're sometimes the biggest monsters in our closets. Sometimes we're out there looking for a boogeyman or a boogie woman. Sometimes it's just the boogie us. And we have to understand that.